Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll explain the details view in the App Designer. In principle, you can specify here how your app will be displayed in both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Enter the name of your app in the name field. This name should be clear and easy to understand. It is the figurehead of your app. In the short description field, describe in one sentence what your app is all about and what it is for. When a user searches for apps in the app stores, this field is included in the search results. With the help of the field description, you have the possibility to describe in more detail what your app is about and what makes it unique. This field is also taken into account in the app search. The selection of a category is used to make your app easy to find in the app stores when a user browses through the corresponding categories. There are tons of categories, pick one that best suits your app. So-called keywords also help users to find your app quickly. Keywords are individual terms that characterize your app. Like the description, keywords are also taken into account in the app search. Further down in the images section, you can upload photos that will be used both for the App Store and for the appearance of your app. The icon is the image that appears on smartphones and in the App Store as an indicator image. Since it may be displayed relatively small on smartphones, it should not contain longer text or complex graphics. Take a look at other app icons on your smartphone for comparison to get a feel for it. The splash screen defines an image that is displayed over a large area when you start your app. It can be, for example, your company logo or a welcome text. Here, too, it makes sense to take a look at the start screens of other apps for comparison. To get a feel for what the app looks like on your users' smartphones, you can see a small preview under Look and Feel. This represents the start screen of a smartphone with your installed app. A small animation shows how your app is clicked on and then started with the splash screen. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.